Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to discuss how to change the UPI PIN in Google Pay in a hassle-free manner. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before moving ahead, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Before moving ahead to know how to change UPI PIN in the Google Pay, let's discuss why it is necessary. In India, one of the most widely used payment apps is Google Pay, which is also known as GPay. A UPI PIN is required for every Google Pay transaction security. Every time you use Google Pay, you need to enter a 4-digit code to authorize bank transactions. You enter your UPI PIN when you open a Google Pay account. However, you must reset or modify your UPI PIN if you've lost it or if you need to update it for security reasons. Steps to change UPI PIN in Google Pay. Now, let's change UPI PIN in the Google Pay in a few easy steps. Just open Google Pay app on your Android phone. Then, tap your profile image in the upper right corner. After that, tap the option Bank Account. Now tap the bank account that you wish to edit. At this time, you have to tap on More, Change UPI PIN, generate a new UPI PIN, and enter the same UPI PIN again to confirm it. So, these are the steps by following which you can change UPI PIN in the Google Pay. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.